What's up, everybody? Johnson back with another Saturday vlog. Unfortunately, my last vlog in Amsterdam, actually my last travel vlog abroad. But don't worry, because we actually have a couple more videos coming up. I ended up just touring my backyard in Canada. So we ended up going to Jasper. So we did a few hiking trails there. I got a couple more things on the way as well. So don't worry, there's gonna be more footage coming through. But because of that, Thursday vlog is going to be going away, so I'll be merging the Thursday vlog and the Saturday travel vlog together. There will be some travel videos and stuff of me exploring other stuff like that, but then I'll also be adding on my regular vlogs onto Thursday, just to make sure until I'm able to travel a little bit more or see a couple more things. But I don't think I'll be traveling until maybe next year, but don't worry, I'll be still be making content. But without further ado, let's get down to the intro.
Hey guys, obviously not in Edmonton or traveling the world at the moment. Actually, we're just outside, about an hour's trek. We're here at the Cliford E Nature Sanctuary, and yeah, it's the middle of winter, but it's kind of nice. It's like only -8, really sunny out, so there's not a cloud in the sky, and we're actually here to go see the birds. And surprisingly, there's actually quite a few here still in winter. So you're able to put your hand out and actually feed some. So that's pretty cool, and we're gonna try to attempt to do that today. So that was so cool. A couple of chickadees came by, and I was able to film them. They've been a squirrel, so fed them a little bit. We just started the trail. A little bit more to come. The scenery is beautiful. It's quiet. You can see them, and they're not even afraid. And yeah, we ended up getting seeds from the pet shop. We didn't go to the supermarket. We asked what they would eat, and they gave us a good recommendation for what kind of seeds they would eat. And yeah. So just kind of being responsible, taking in a bit of nature, especially when it's not like -30 and snowing and blizzarding and all that stuff. Let's see what more we can find. So that was pretty cool. That was pretty neat. I didn't actually think they would that many show up, especially like in the winter. But in the summer, it's a little bit more exciting than that. Sorry, the path is a little icy, but it's pretty cool. Something you don't always get to see, especially in the city. You got a lot of pigeons. You're lucky to get blue jays if you get them. But other than that, yeah, not many chickadees, which is what we were seeing on the screen. So pretty cool, pretty neat. We're gonna continue on. Hopefully we can see a few more. And hopefully you're here with us. So that was pretty cool. I actually tried to capture a few of them eating their seeds, except for they would just like take it and run. One actually called out to me, and it's just like, whoa, didn't even notice you were there. Opened my hand, picked a few out, so he was there. That was pretty cool. I enjoyed that very much. Of course, that's our day here. Sorry, it's pretty short, but hopefully we'll be back in the summer when there's more. But until then, do me a favor, subscribe, because there's more content. Especially if you're new here, you should totally check it out, because I have got more videos coming up and more videos already done up. If you like this kind of thing, obviously you know what to do. Leave a like, and if you guys have any questions or comments or cool things we should do next time, let me know. I'll put them down below as always. And about that content I was talking about, yeah, there's more. So click anything you like on the screen. A few more videos here, there, and I'm back every week with a new one. And of course, as always, I'll see you guys next time.